Hey, what's going on, everybody? THG back with you again. I am back out here at Charles C. Dean Wilderness. It's been way too long since I've been able to get out, but we're back in the swing of things. We're doing a little winter camping. I got my buddy John. Say hi, John.
Hi, John.
And we're gonna go to a spot we know, plop down, do some winter camping. I got the Dream Hammock Raven with me with my winter loadout. So come along, let's go. Okay, we have arrived at our destination. We didn't hike too far in. We're just both not feeling the hiking portion of it. But we are at Frog Pond. And those of you who know what this is will recognize it. Got a nice water source right here. And I've got a couple of good hammock trees. I do have a widowmaker right there.
That's a huge bitch!
But between this tree and that tree is about 15 feet, so that'll work. So yeah, we're just gonna get camp set up and start the chore of gathering firewood. Okay, so this is the one time a year that I'm glad that I got a double liner on my Dream Hammock, because I've got my Nemo insulated pad in between the layers, and I'm going to put on my underquilt under it, and then I've got a 0 degree bag here on the top. So yeah, this is the I'm also glad I opted for the top cover for the Dream Hammock for just this type of hammock camping. I'm going to finish getting this set up, and we will see how it goes. Hey everybody, the hiking guy with you again, and this time I got him on camera. I saw him last time we were out here. It's a trail medic. I've been watching his videos for years. He kind of helped me and he inspired me to do this. So I want to make sure that he gets on there. That yes, I do see him. He is around. So,
like I tell everybody, don't sit at home. Just get out.
Right. Absolutely. That was pretty exciting. Having trail medics stop by. It's the second time I've seen that dude out here. I called him Eric originally, and that's not his name. His name is Keith. So I apologize, Keith, for that. I won't make that mistake again. John, Fire Marshal John here has gotten us a man-sized fire. Even though we've got some pretty wet wood out here. We're using the fire starters and all our Native American tricks that we know. John's rocking his tent as normal, his Alps mountaineering. He folds himself in half in that one. But it's a nice tent. It's served you pretty well, hasn't it?
It has. For what I paid for it?
Yeah. I remember when you got that, yeah. He's sipping on a little Canadian Limited. So, gotta have that when you winter camp, and I forgot mine. And I've got the setup almost complete. It's a little, I could dial it in a little more, but for the most part, this is how it's going to be tonight. So, getting ready to have dinner. John got a pad thai meal from Cabela's, and I have just sandwich, I think. By the way, we are out here at the Frog Pond. I think I mentioned that earlier. But this is the water source. In the summer, this had algae on top of it. So, yeah. We're in for a lot of camping fun. We're having more fun than you as usual. We're going to find some more firewood. Some of this dead stuff here. It's turned out to be a nice night. I think it's going to clear up. We might be able to see some stars tonight. It's about 6 o'clock. Got the fire going here. John's getting ready to get his dinner together. been a pretty nice, calm evening. It's weird in the winter because you don't hear any birds. But yeah, just looking around here. Hopefully the sky will clear up tonight, as I said earlier. We're just watching nature's TV right here. There's only one channel, but it's the best one. Okay, I'm in the hammock. I'm in under my 0-degree bag, and it's about 31 degrees right now. So, pretty cold. So thank you, everybody. We'll see you in the morning for coffee. Make sure you come back in the morning. Peace. All right, folks, we are out of here. We are leaving no trace. We're gonna put the fire out. John's almost packed up. I got my pack up, and we have had an enjoyable, restful weekend. So I'll film some on the way out with the new Osmo Pocket, which is what I'm filming on right now. And we'll see you in the next adventure. Get out to explore. Peace.